If you've ever tried to delete a blocked number in WhatsApp without actually unblocking it, you already know. WhatsApp doesn't make it easy. There's no visible delete option, no hidden menu, nothing. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple, safe workaround that actually works. So stay with me till the end. Let's get straight into it. When you open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Privacy Blocked. Here, you'll see every number you've blocked. Now, if you tap on any blocked contact, WhatsApp only gives you one option: unblock. And that's the problem. You want the number gone entirely without re-allowing them to message you. WhatsApp doesn't give you a delete button here, so we have to take a different route. Here's a trick that actually works. Since WhatsApp pulls blocked contacts from your phone's address book, deleting the number from your device will automatically remove it from WhatsApp's blocked list without unblocking. So if you're using an iPhone, here's what you do. Open your Contacts app on your iPhone. Find the contact you previously blocked on WhatsApp, scroll down and tap Delete Contact. Confirm the deletion. Once you delete the contact from your iPhone's contacts, go back to WhatsApp and open the blocked list again. You'll see that the number has disappeared. No unblocking, no extra steps, just gone. This works because WhatsApp links your blocked list to the number stored in your phone. If the number no longer exists on your device, WhatsApp has nothing to pull from. And that's it. You've successfully removed a blocked number from WhatsApp without unblocking it. Super quick, super clean, and completely safe. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like, drop a comment if you want more quick WhatsApp tips, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support keeps these tutorials coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.